murona uri othunite
na banene ya ikari ya Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga makoragwo mehokete urimi wa muceere ari njira ya kwimathira uboco wa muthenya na uguo gwikira kio migunda-ini niguo kuruta magetha mega. No wagi wa mbegu njega ngihota gwitiria mirimu na wagi wa mai niguo kuretwo ari muhinga o muthenya ataaramu wa urimi uyu magitabania uthuthuria wa mbegu njega ya muceere iria ingiteithiriria arimi kuongerera magetha.
No njurie thirikari kana ni thirikari ya local government ino ya ito ya county government kana thirikari iria nene national government magerie gutethereria arimi tondu na maundu ya mothe meru maroka arimi ringi ni makoragwo na ebinde nene ya gukorwa na mbeca cia kuruta wira ucio maundu makoni mbegu fertilizers na maundu acio mothe macarie njira iria mangitethereria kana riria twina muthenya ta umuthi field day magakorwa ku makionia arimi uria magiriwe ni gwika.
Arimi ya muceere itura-ini ria Kianjogu niyo mbere kugeria mbegu ino njeru ya muceere iria kuringana na ataaramu aya irakura na ihinda inini na kuruta magetha ma iguru ta uria ndagitari Kayonde Sani kuma ruhonge-ini rwa AATF aratariria.
The hybrids are early maturing, so the farmers will harvest early and can even do another planting. Like you can see here, some have already harvested and they are replanting again. So that is an advantage. So they can have two production cycle within one season of irrigation.
Well, here in Mwea, in 2017, we tested this one particular hybrid, which we call ATH 741A, or sometimes now we call it Pwani Gold Plus. We tested with 85 farmers. The average of the hybrid was 54 bags per acre. The average of Pishori was 24. So you think about an extra 30 bags and the value that is at whatever the price happens to be that year, you can see there's a huge advantage to the farmer. Yes, he's going to pay more for seed, absolutely. But he's going to get 100 times that back when he sells his grain.
Lea Wangari ni murimi wa muceere kuma itura-ini riri na arauga thutha wa kugeria mbegu ino njeru nionete umithio riu magikaira thirikari kuguithia thogora wa mbegu na fertilizer niguo mahote kuongerera magetha.
Riu thaa ici ndironire ni mwega na ni muceere urahota gukura na ibenya. Nginya thaa ici riu no nyende ndingiona bandu ba kurima bangi no nime.
Nyende kwira arimi aria mangihota kugura mbegu ino marime tondu ni kumahe maciaro mega na uritu mwingi na niguo twendaga muceere ukorwo ina kiro na ina uritu mwega na murio wa ukiria muceere ugakorwo wi muthaka.
Wona ndemu ya thiba yarikirira arimi ya muceere kuma Mwea ni mekuhota kuongerera magetha mao amu wagi wa mbegu njega na mai niguo kuretwo ari muhinga. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga njitagwo Wainaina wa Makiaria.
no be kindu kwenda kwamba kwaririria